when you've got a special recipe, whether that's a recipe for doing research or a recipe for food, that it makes sense to share it so that other people can enjoy that and other people can benefit from it. And especially when it comes to research. We've shown here in Baltimore that people are willing to be in research. And I think a lot of people hear things about Baltimore and assume that people in our neighborhoods don't want to be in research. And that's just not true. What they don't want to be in is involved in helicopter research, as you call it. But if you do research the right way and they understand that it could benefit them or a family member or somebody in their neighborhood, people are willing to participate, and it's always voluntary. So if we've been able to work with a community that has this reputation that they don't want to participate in research, but once they do, they see how it can benefit their lives, well, why wouldn't we want to share that with other communities so that those other communities could grow in their health, just like we're trying to improve health here in Baltimore?